In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VK3 Drawing Tablet. The VK3 electronic writing tablet features a 10.1-inch diagonal screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, providing a clear and detailed workspace for creative projects. It supports multiple operating systems, including Linux, Chrome OS, Android, Mac OS, and Windows, and is compatible with a variety of drawing software such as Adobe Photoshop, Corel Painter, and Clip Studio. The tablet boasts an impressive 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, ensuring a natural and precise writing experience with the included battery-free stylus. Designed for user convenience, it features customizable touch keys and a responsive touch panel for streamlined navigation. The 10 by 6 inches active drawing area offers ample space for artistic expression, and the Type-C interface ensures easy connectivity with no fuss about plug orientation. With a durable build and an included 1.5-meter cable, the tablet is well suited for long projects, providing an efficient and user-friendly drawing experience. Number 2. HS610 Graphic Tablets. The graphic tablet is a 10.1-inch device with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a pressure level of 8,192. It has a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI and comes with a digital pen PW100. The tablet has a working area of 254 by 158.8 mm and supports Android OS 6.0, Windows 7, macOS 10.12 or later. It also features touch ring and 12 customized press keys, with a report rate of 266 pps. The tablet has a net weight of 600 g and supports phone connectivity with an OTG adapter. Additionally, it has a certification of CE, FCC, PSE and supports Chrome OS 88 or later. The device also includes features such as dual touch bar, full lamination, and a 2.5K display resolution. It is a 2-in-1 device, combining a pen tablet and LCD writing tablet, with a working area for both PC and phone modes. The model number is CTL4100 and it is manufactured by HUION in mainland China. Number 3. SPASEEBA M12 Drawing Tablet. The MCU 1200 pen tablet monitor is a high-quality device designed for digital creation, featuring a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and an 11.5-inch IPS display. With 8,192 levels of pen pressure, the passive pen allows for accurate and natural lines, while the 6 customizable shortcut keys enhance work efficiency. Weighing only 654 g, the tablet is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for on-the-go use. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android operating systems, and supports a wide range of creative software, making it suitable for various digital art and design applications. Number 4. IMASONSCAN Drawing Tablet. The IMASONSCAN graphic tablet is a digital drawing tablet with a pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI. It comes with a package including a pen pad, with a tablet length of 140 mm and width of 210 mm. The tablet uses USB as its interface type and is of mainland China origin. The technology used is passive electromagnetic induction, with a wide color gamut of 120% sRGB. The graphics tablet dimension and weight is 297.4 by 190.0 by 11.8 mm, for 20 g, and the work area is 210 by 140 mm. The pen dimension and weight is 138.3 by 11.8 mm, 12 g, with a sensor height of 10 mm. It also includes 5 customizable hard shortcut keys, a reading speed of 230 pps, and a data interface of micro USB. Number 5. HUION KAMVAS Drawing Tablet. The HUION KAMVAS series, including models 12, 13, and 16, offers an exceptional drawing experience with its full laminated display and advanced PenTech 3.0 stylus technology. Designed for digital artists, these tablets feature vibrant color accuracy and reduced parallax for a more natural drawing feel. The adjustable stand enhances ergonomics, allowing users to find their optimal working angle during long creative sessions. With a responsive surface and multiple shortcut keys, the KAMVAS tablets enable seamless integration into various art software, making them ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals seeking to elevate their digital artistry.